Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, especially in Baytown neighborhoods where coastal charm and well-maintained properties stand out. Homeowners looking to enhance their home's exterior often focus on landscaping or paint, but one of the most impactful upgrades is the addition or replacement of bay windows. With their distinctive design and ability to transform both the inside and outside of a home, bay windows offer a powerful way to boost curb appeal and overall property value. One of the most noticeable ways bay windows enhance curb appeal is through their unique architectural presence. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the exterior wall, bay windows extend outward, creating depth and dimension. This projection adds visual interest and breaks up the monotony of a flat facade. In Baytown neighborhoods, where homes often feature a mix of traditional and modern styles, bay windows can instantly elevate the exterior and make a property stand out. Bay windows also create a more inviting and welcoming appearance. The angled design naturally draws the eye and highlights the home's structure. When placed in prominent areas such as the front living room or dining space, they become a focal point that enhances the overall design. This welcoming look is especially important for homeowners who want to make a strong first impression on guests or potential buyers. Another way bay windows boost curb appeal is by increasing natural light, which improves the home's overall appearance. Large glass panels allow sunlight to enter from multiple angles, brightening interior spaces. From the outside, this creates a warm and lively look, especially during daylight hours. A bright, well-lit home often appears more open and inviting, adding to its visual appeal. Customization options make bay windows even more effective for enhancing curb appeal. Homeowners can choose from a variety of frame materials, colors, and finishes to match their home's exterior. Whether selecting a classic white frame for a timeless look or a bold color to create contrast, these options allow the window to complement the home's style. Decorative glass, grid patterns, and trim details can also be added to further personalize the design. The addition of a bay window can also improve the perceived size and layout of a home. Because the window extends outward, it gives the impression of a larger interior space. From the outside, this added dimension makes the home appear more spacious and thoughtfully designed. In Baytown neighborhoods, where homes are often viewed from the street, this visual enhancement can make a significant difference. Landscaping opportunities are another benefit. The extended structure of a bay window creates space for decorative elements such as flower beds, shrubs, or accent lighting. These features can be used to highlight the window and create a cohesive exterior design. By integrating landscaping with the window design, homeowners can further enhance curb appeal and create a polished look. Energy-efficient features in modern bay windows also contribute to long-term appeal. Advanced glass and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring that the home remains comfortable while maintaining its stylish appearance. In Baytown's warm and humid climate, this combination of beauty and functionality is especially valuable. Proper installation is essential to achieving the best results. A professionally installed bay window ensures clean lines, a secure fit, and a finished appearance that enhances the home's exterior. Poor installation can lead to gaps or uneven placement, which can detract from curb appeal. Working with experienced professionals helps ensure that the window looks and performs as intended. Maintenance is relatively simple, which helps preserve curb appeal over time. Regular cleaning of the glass and occasional inspection of seals and frames keep the window looking its best. Durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist weather-related wear, ensuring that the window maintains its appearance even in challenging conditions. In addition to aesthetic benefits, bay windows can increase property value. Homes with distinctive architectural features often attract more attention in the real estate market. A well-designed bay window adds both visual interest and functional space, making the property more appealing to potential buyers. In conclusion, Bay windows are an excellent way to boost curb appeal in Baytown neighborhoods. Their unique design, ability to enhance natural light, and wide range of customization options make them a standout feature for any home. By adding depth, elegance, and visual interest, bay windows not only improve the exterior appearance but also increase the overall value and attractiveness of the property.